Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my Allure beauty box for the month of September. I'm not gonna lie, it sounds really sketchy and sounds like something's broke, so I'm already a little bit upset. I'll pop beats right here. We're gonna dive in. Alright, if you have not ever seen a Allure beauty box unboxing, I have found through the years that the Allure beauty box is generally more skincare heavy. We do get some makeup products in there as well, but it's kind of a focus on Allure's best of beauty products, kind of the latest and greatest, and or cult classics, favorites, things like that. I feel like I get a good bang for my buck. I love subscription boxes. We always get an informative pamphlet. We have $10 member store credit. That sounds nice. They do have like these big bundles and stuff that you can buy that are crazy freaking cheap. Like the last one that I got from them was the Bloom and Brighten box, and it was like $69 for like $560 worth of product. It was crazy good. First thing right on top is an old school favorite that I love and have been using for years. It's the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. It is the 24-hour invisible shaping and setting gel for brows. Again, cult classic, tried and true. This is fantastic. This is kind of always in my rotation, no matter what's kind of new or what I've tried from the drugstore or wherever. I will always go back to this. If I get it in a box, I'm gonna use it. All right, next up. Okay, it doesn't look like anything's broken. Thank goodness. Next up, holy crap, is a full size of the First Aid Beauty or Fab Beauty, the Ultra Repair Cream, Intense Hydration with Colloidal Oatmeal, safe for sensitive skin. I have gone through many of these, more specifically in the smaller sizes because we get them in subscription boxes. If you do have dry skin, but you have very sensitive skin or very reactive skin, highly recommend. I'm already thrilled. Next up is the Eva NYC Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo, Light and Fresh. I would maybe try this, but I've tried many dry shampoos through the years, and my all-time favorite is expensive as hell, you guys, but I will repurchase it and repurchase it. It's the T18 one, and there's something about it. It's magical. Next up, actually a product that I already have and I'm using up. I'm almost positive this is the same exact one I have. This is the BDY or Body by Tree Hut, the Body Serum Mist Dual Phase with squalane, niacinamide, and tranexamic acid, question mark. Almost positive this is the one that I'm using, and I actually tried a different one also from, I think it was like Beekman or something. It was hella expensive. This one was way more affordable, and I love the little mister on this. What I do when I first step out of the shower, kind of wrap my towel around me, I go in and brush my teeth, start my skincare and all that. I will take and spray on my arms, my décolleté, my back, stuff like that. This is fantastic. It's very soft, very light, and it's not super oily or anything like that. It's not sticky. It doesn't make your clothes look like they're oily or anything, and it dries almost instantly. I'm ecstatic to have that as well. Next up is Bee Blossom Essentials Hydration Repair Honey Lip Balm. Oh my goodness, with organic manuka honey and sea buckthorn. That sounds incredible. I'm currently using up, and I'm almost done with the 4 lip treatment / products that are in my nightstand. So I definitely want to put this in my rotation. I do want to see what it looks like. I was trying to not rip the box. And things that I know that I will not use, maybe if I've demoed them one time for you guys, I demoed it and I just didn't like it. It ends up in my resale group on Facebook, and that is always linked down below. This is for lips, yeah, lip balm. That's kind of big for a lip balm. Okay, it has a little cap on it. I shouldn't really open this, but I really want to see how it smells. Whoa, that is very soft. It is still pretty warm here. I want to try this on though. It's pretty warm here. I don't smell anything, to be honest. Oh yeah, I'm feeling a little granules. Okay, I should probably not have opened that just yet, just because it's hot, and I'm almost positive that that melted. But I think it's hopefully going to be okay once it cools off. I don't know. It feels good though. It feels really good. This box is amazing. And then last but not least, we have the L'Oreal, the Blush Drops, Liquid Blush Drops in Sunset Kiss. And I did know that I was gonna kind of get this because a friend of mine accidentally spoiled, and she was like, oh my gosh, what about them drops? Which that's fine, she didn't realize. But I kind of knew we were getting this. I generally do not like to get spoilers, y'all know that. And I'm testing a foundation today, hence me not trying things on for you guys as I usually do. I think these look gorgeous though. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. Again, if it's something I don't think I'm gonna use, I will put it in my resale group. Ooh. Okay, that is very pretty. A little bit goes a very, very, very long way. Good gracious. Hopefully you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. I like a glow and a sheen. This is almost more like metallic-y. Don't really smell anything. Honestly, it kind of smells alcohol-y a little bit. I wish I could try this on for you guys, but I'm not going to because I do not want to mess up the foundation thing. I would have to demo this and or maybe go see some reviews on it. I don't know that it'd be a product for me. I love liquid blushes. I love, you know, cream blushes and stuff like that. Concentrated drops, buildable illuminating pop of color infused with a soft focus pearl to perfect your skin. Y'all let me know. Should I try it? It's very metallic-y, but I do also feel like, I mean, literally what I went in with, I didn't feel like was a lot, and baby, it was a lot. So I feel like I would take literally a drop and press it out with a sponge or with my brush and then apply it that way, and maybe I would like it. Y'all, that is, it's kind of like frosty metallic-y. I don't think I would like it. If you've tested it though, let me know. Ecstatic as hell, all-time favorite. Loving this. I've been using it every single night. So yeah, I'm thrilled. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 either way. All right, let's get into some deets, y'all. First up, our Rhode Isle blush drops in frosted pink, sunset kiss, or apricot sorbet. Kind of wish I would have got the apricot sorbet. If you know, you know. I love orange blush. Why you'll love it. This is our idea of finger paints. Squeeze the liquid blush out of the dropper and blend it easily over cheeks for a watercolor-like flush. The luminous finish is ideal for a natural looking glow. You got to pick your favorite shade to receive in your box. That's the only thing about me not wanting spoilers, which I get it. Like, I understand that I'm a different consumer from other people, and that's just fine. I have my preferences. I do kind of hate that part about not getting spoilers because then I don't get to pick my selections, but I want to genuinely be surprised in real time with you guys. So you guys are really, you're seeing it as I'm seeing it. You're seeing me in real time, seeing my face, seeing my reactions, and that's important to me. So how you use it, dot the liquid blush onto your cheeks and blend with your fingertips. I most likely would not apply it in that way. I tend to work from a brush. Some products work better that way. This may work better with your fingers. It is $55 for 15 mil. So this is a full size. This automatically more than pays for my box. They also have a promo code for us. Receive 20% off full priced items site-wide with RODE, ROD, X, Allure 20, valid September 1st through November 1st, 2025. Next up was our Benefit Cosmetics 24-hour Brow Setter Clear Brow Gel. Why you'll love it. The fastest way to enliven eyes is by brushing up your brows, and this clear gel keeps them neat and tidy. Whether you spent a little bit extra time on your brows, say tweezing strays and penciling in arches, me every damn day, y'all, or you just want to look pulled together quickly, this clear gel is an easy finishing touch. The formula feels soft and flexible once it's on, not crunchy or flaky like some clear brow gels can be. I agree with that 100%. And this is $28 for 7 mils. So this is also a full size. There is a promo code here as well. Receive 20% off your order at Benefit Cosmetics with code Allure20, valid September 1st through November 1st. Next up is our First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Why you'll love it. Dry skin craves this moisturizer, which is on the rich side but sinks in quickly. I agree. You can use it for instant relief on chapped cheeks, ashy legs, cracked elbows, anywhere skin is parched, whether that means it's just looking dull or it's dry to the point of irritation. Colloidal oatmeal in the formula makes it extra soothing, and the lotion is designed to treat even sensitive skin and eczema prone skin. And then the full retail price is $48 for 8 ounces. That is also a full-size price, full-size item. It does not have a promo code with this month. Let's see. Next up was our Blossom Essentials Hydration Repair Honey Lip Balm. This chubby little balm is super cute and fun to stash in your bag. Better yet, the Manuka honey infused formula goes on creamier than most sticks. It gives an especially pretty sheen to your lips, and the ingredients, coconut oil, beeswax, marula seed oil, are ones we feel good about slathering on. I agree, it feels great. Swipe onto bare lips. We most of us know how to use these products. Retail price is $12 for 4 mils. I do not know if my blind ass is going to be able to read that on that box. And this is a full size, so that is $12. Receive 10% off with code Allure10, valid September 1st through November 1st. And then we had our Eva NYC, the Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo, Light and Fresh. Anything that lets us eke out another day from a blowout is up our alley. And this rice starch fueled dry shampoo gets the job done discreetly. It helps soak up the oil and give limp roots a boost without making hair feel powdery or full of product. The retail price is $15 for 189 mils. We get 35 mils here. Receive 20% off your first purchase with code Allure20, valid September 1st through October 31st. And then last up in our box, we have the BDY by Tree Hut, the Body Serum Mist. How have we not used a body mist sooner? This is nothing like scented mists or body splashes. Instead, it is more like a face mist, but for the skin below your neck. The refreshing blend of squalane, niacinamide, and tranexamic acid hydrates and brightens. Give the bottle a couple of shakes and mist it over. This is $26 for 236 mils. We have 100 mils in the box. And again, I bought this off of Ulta. It's lovely. I love it. This is 5 out of 5 for sure. I love everything in the box. I'm gonna have to revisit this because I don't want a sheen like this sheen on my cheeks. And hopefully you guys are kind of seeing what I'm seeing. Whereas it's more of like a metallic frosty nature versus like a kind of creamy lit from within type of glowy product. So if you have experience with it, let me know. Based just me seeing this, I don't think I'll like it. It also still feels very, very sticky and is transferring quite a bit onto my fingers. Now right here, it doesn't look quite as bad. Again, I might have put too much, so y'all don't come for me in them comments, okay? Yeah, 5 out of 5. What did you guys think? Have you guys tested Allure? And what are your favorite subscription boxes? I'd also like to know, you guys know that I do Durismas or Vlogmas all month long in the month of December. And I'm starting now because, you know, mama's broke and I gotta buy advent calendars, you know, a little bit at a time. So what advent calendars would you be interested in seeing, makeup or otherwise? That is it. Thank you guys so much for joining. I am on the road to 10,000 subscribers this year, and I can only do that with your help. So if you do see this and you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. Sharing my content out also helps a whole lot. You can also use the hype feature down here to hype up my video. You can turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And you can also become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties. Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my Allure beauty box for the month of August. I am not gonna... You big dummy.